Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to create these 5 claw clip hairstyles. I really hope you find it helpful and let's get started. Before you start, I would recommend to prep your hair with a texture spray or dry shampoo. It just gives a bit more hold. I have done that here. So you want to gather your hair into a low ponytail and then you just want to braid this into a 3-strand braid, or you can do a twist if you prefer. You just secure the ends with a clear elastic. Then you want to bring the braid up on itself and twist it around your hand so it creates this loop. And make sure that the bottom half of the braid is kind of flat against your head and the ends are poking out. Then you want to take your claw clip and place this in the center, just above where you created the ponytail. You can pinch and pull on the side of the braid to give more fullness. This is the first look done. For the next look, you want to create another low ponytail. Make a part just above your hair elastic and then pull your ponytail up and through. You don't want to pull it all the way through, you just want to do it partially so it creates this half loop. Then pull the loop up on itself so it creates this bun shape and you can leave the ends out. Then you want to grab your claw clip and place this in the center so that it grabs most of the bun. So this is the finished look. For the next hairstyle, you want to gather your hair back, placing one hand at the base and one hand on the ends of your hair. Then wrap the ends over your hand at the top, creating a loop. Twist your hair upwards so you can then see the loop you created at the top of your head. You then want to grab your claw clip at a slight angle so it grabs a little bit of hair from one side before it clips the rest of the style. For the full style, you want to gather your hair back into a sleek middle ponytail. You then want to create a part at the side of the elastic and pull your ponytail through this. You then want to place your claw clip in the center. Then with the ends, you want to twist this up and clockwise around your claw clip. Then open your claw clip slightly so you can grip the ends in place. And then just add in a tiny bit of hairspray for any flyaways. And also just pulling on the sides of the twist to give more definition. For the final hairstyle, you want to create another middle ponytail and create a part at the side of the elastic and pull your hair through this. You then want to braid the ends into a 3-strand braid. And you can pull on the sides of the braid for more volume. You then want to wrap the braid over the top of itself and bring the ends back through that part you created at first. Then just grab your claw clip and clip this over the top of your hair elastic. And I'm just adding in some pins on the side just so that the braid doesn't move away from my head. This is the final look. Thank you so much for watching. I really hope you found this video helpful. If you did, please subscribe and give this video a thumbs up.